Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students of grade 6, Assalamu alaikum. I'm your English teacher, Mrs. Nahib. I welcome you all to Pakistan International School's distance learning program, English Language Lesson 2, Week 4. My dear students, it's our second lesson of Week 4, and topic for our today's class is identification and function of past simple tense. My dear students, at the end of today's class, you will be able to define simple past verb tense, how to form a past simple tense, and when to use it. My dear students, whenever we talk about tenses, the first question comes in our mind is, what are tenses? I define tenses in these words. Tenses are the forms of verbs which show the time of actions or state of events. They have three forms: present, past, and future. My dear students, this is the list of most commonly used forms of verb. My dear students, before we get started, it is good to know that in the English language we have regular and irregular verbs, and it is advisable that you should study the most common forms of verb. Now let's get started. My dear students, the simple past tense is used to talk about a completed action in a time before now. The simple past is the basic form of past tense in English. The time of the action can be in the recent past or the distant past. An action duration is not important. I walked to school yesterday. He paid for dinner last week. Take a look at these examples. I walked to school yesterday. He paid for dinner last week. Both these sentences are in the past simple tense. Past simple tense, one of the elementary past tenses in the English language. I'm going to show you how to form past simple tense and when to use past simple tense. My dear students, this is a list of most common time expressions of past simple tense. You can write them down in your English notebook. They can help you to identify this tense. My dear students, now I show you how to form past simple positive, past simple negative, and past simple interrogative sentences. My dear students, second form of verb is used as main verb in the positive sentence, subject plus main verb plus object. I skipped. In this sentence, I is subject and skipped is second form of verb, skip. My dear students, in negative sentences, did not is written and the first form of verb, base verb, is used instead of using second form of verb. Look at the example. Subject plus did not plus first form of verb. They did not go. My dear students, to form interrogative sentences, we use helping verb did plus subject plus first form of verb. Look at the example sentence. Did he arrive? In this sentence, we have used did in the beginning and first form of verb arrive. My dear students, please remember, some verbs are irregular in the simple past. Here are the most common ones. Go. He went to a club last night. Did he go to the cinema last night? He did not go to bed early last night. Give. We gave her a doll for her birthday. They did not give John the new address. Did he give you my passport? Come. My parents came to visit me last July. We did not come because it was raining. Did he come to your party last week? My dear students, please note down these examples of past simple positive aspect, past simple negative aspect, and past simple interrogative aspect. My dear students, this is an end of our today's class. I'm assigning you this exercise. Kindly write it down in your English notebook, solve it, and send back to your English teachers for correction. Thank you for your attention.